Welcome to Dap for Do. Hope you are all doing good. I would urge you to be cautious and be safe. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a dangri skirt for around 8 to 10 years old. So this is the fabric which I'm going to use, which is in double. So we will fold it into half. This will be the bottom's cut part. So here are the measurements which I am going to use today. So the front portion will be little shorter. So we will have to make the side cuts as well. So this will be the length and the measurements. If you want, you can take a screenshot of it. So the length of the skirt is 20 from the waist, wherein I'll be requiring 9 and 1 extra for the seam. So this will be, one part will be little lengthier, so I'm just marking it in double, and the front portion would be little shorter, so that we will take around 1.5 inches of difference on both of the parts, so that when we use it for the buttons, it will be easy for us. So just make a cross line and cut it to the skirt's length. Then I will separate both the parts of the skirt, and I will just make a creases, a small cut where we will have to make these holes. And for the front portion, I am just cutting little extra so that we will have a smaller part. So I have just given the mark as front and back, and this will be for the top flaps, which I have cut in double, 2 pieces. If you want, you can use the lining as well. Here I had the same fabric, so I am just adding the same one. So these sides we will fold, and this will be for the waist. So I have sewed 2 parts together. So this will be the wrong side of these, and I have made 2 flaps for the shoulders. So as this is the wrong side, we will have to insert. If it is the lining, you will have to do the same thing. After attaching the lining from the inside, you will have to leave some space as shown in this video and add these flaps from inside. Give a stitch, so that when you turn it over, it will be having a very beautiful neat finish for this. So I have sewed it, and now I am reversing it. If you see, nothing, no seams would be here. So if you want to leave the dangri one shoulder also, you can leave it. It will not look the seams. And here I have added a pocket in the front portion of the top flap. And these are the small parts wherein we will have to make the loops for the waist belt to get inserted. So this is the wrong side of the skirt, and we will have to place the wrong side of the flap, top flap as well. So both the wrong side will face each other, and this will be the waist belt. When we sew this, it will come over it. So we will have to pin it up on both the sides, and then as shown in the video, we will have to make both the wrong sides face each other. So the right side will be up, and when you turn it up, both the right sides will come. So these small loops I am also inserting from the inside. So the flap and the loops will in between the waist belt and the fabric. So for the front, I have added 4 loops, and the portion of the pocket would be in front. Here we are not attaching the flaps. So after sewing like this, when you turn it over, give a fold and then stitch, so that we will have space for the belt to go in. So in the same way, I have sewed for the front part also. I have added 2 more small pockets here as well. So you can vary it with colors also. And for the side flap, we have to leave around 3 to 3.5 inches of space, and then attach both the sides. So we have to give a fold like this and attach, so that it will come one above the other, so that we can button it and do it on both the sides. And later we will hem the bottom after sewing. I have stitched both the sides. Now the back portion will go inside, and the front portion will come on top. So here we will have the loops of the buttonhole, and on the back part we will have the buttons. In the same front also, we will have to make the button and for the flaps we will have to make the loop and overlap and stitch the skirt and do the hemming. That's it. Our beautiful dangri skirt will be ready. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Namaste.